Hello, and welcome to a video where I'm using AI and other technologies to build and prepare autograders for an upcoming course that I'm building. The course is called Computer Architecture for Everybody, and it covers digital electronics, how electronics can be used for computation, what machine language is, what assembly language is, how compiled languages like C work, etc., etc. It's kind of a follow-on to my C Programming for Everybody course. Whenever I build a new course, I always start with the autograders because they're literally the hardest problem to solve for any topic, in my opinion. And in the video you're going to watch, I am building an autograder for a machine language interpreter. It'll be programming by hand using zeros and ones. Students will be given assignments that they have to hand code in machine language. The program that they build will be run and graded. And this is one of 4 or 5 autograders that I'm going to develop for this one course, Computer Architecture for Everybody. Now, I'm building this autograder using in-browser ES6 modules in JavaScript as a single-page web application. This is my first time building a single-page application in JavaScript, so I'm learning a lot. The other thing I'm doing, mostly because of some advice from one of my mentors, is I'm using VS Code. You've seen me use VI a lot. It's a text-based editor, but I'm also using VS Code now with GitHub CoPilot because I just think it's time. And this is a nice new project, and it's an area of technology that I'm not an expert in. So I'm using CoPilot, I'm using ChatGPT, I'm using Gemini, and good old Stack Overflow. And I just decided as I was starting that it was kind of cool, right? I really know nothing about this. And I decided to record my journey so you could see what I'm learning as I learn it. And I just want to record it so I could share all my confusion and all my successes as they happen. So the key thing is once I know how to write these modules and use all these tools, I'll probably forget the bits and pieces and the little breakthroughs that I make as I'm going through, and I don't want to forget them. So I've decided to sort of quietly record them so I'm not embarrassed, but then I can put them up for you if they turn out well. And I'll just say that it's over an hour. It's not exciting. I have not edited it, but you may find it interesting. And so I'm looking forward to being able to go back to this and look at this once I have more skills and more experience. Enjoy. Hello, everybody. We're playing with just me learning how to build. Where's my folder at? View. Oops. Yeah. So I'm running, let me bring this browser up here. Oop. I'm building this CPU emulator. I'm at the very beginning. This is for a class I'm going to create called Computer Architecture for Everybody. And I want to create a situation where the student can play with registers, watch the registers, and then there's some instruction memory and some data memory. Okay, and so I'm making a lit element. I'm making a lit element that is going to hopefully render all this stuff and then encapsulate the logic of running all these instructions. Okay, so I've got this so far. I've got this thing where if I run it, where's my browser? If I load it, let's do a developer console here. Wow, it's going to be, look at the console. I've got it to the point where I can click the start button and the little cog is working and it's not working, right? So I've got some lit element stuff in there and I got to click me. Probably should call that toggle run. Toggle running, and then it's gonna. So you're seeing AI happen there. It just decided that toggle running was a better. What are we gonna do here? That's unused. No, I don't want to generate tests. Toggle. Oops. How come AI doesn't know that I mean to call this toggle running? I start T in, and so that you see AI is helping me here. So that's good. I'm going to save that. So now I'm going to add. I just think with lit element, I've got I got to make lists. I got to make an array. And all these things, I'm going to make my registers arrays. I'm going to make my memory arrays. And then hopefully I can somehow generate a UI that looks kind of like this, okay? And I'm just trying to do this in a lit element because I like it. So let's go here and say, let's go with memory. Now look what it's showing me. It says if it's the variable named memory, it's probably an array in JavaScript, and I'm liking that, so I'll take that. And instructions. And it is also a type of array. Now we got to go in the constructor and fix all this stuff. For, look at what it's saying. It says it wants to give me a for loop for one. How did it know 256? Boom. Okay, are you supposed to do that with a push? Okay, well, and then I want to, oh yeah, it wants to do that for me too. So that's nice. Let's save it and reload it. Not that. Go to the browser. Where's my other browser window? It's this one. Let's get these tabs together. There we go. So I don't think anything's going to happen here, except I broke it. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? View developer console. This .memory is undefined. Wait a second. I don't understand. Memories here. This time memory is undefined. Well, maybe. How do I put a variable, global variable in here? Crap. Yeah, it's easy. It's easy until you run into it. So JavaScript lit. Lit element. Array. I just want to make an array in there. Just want to make an array variable. Now, you know what I think I need to do? This .memory. Yeah, there you go. So that's a good example of how AI did not know what to do. And it says you're going to, yeah. So you'll see that AI there is helping me a lot, but I had to figure out that, oh, I should have, that this properties thing does not necessarily create the variable. This .running equals false is creating the variable in this. I mean, you saw me trying to think about, well, how am I going to put a this something in here? And the answer is you just do it right there. I mean, it's, those properties are not automatically in this. And there we go. So I bet that's going to work great. That's pretty cool. Again, you can see how the AI doesn't know what I'm supposed to do, but man, once I figure out what I'm supposed to do, let's go back to the browser now. Browser. Boink. Here we go. Start, stop, Look how cool that is. Okay. Let's then. Do we want to write a loop down here? Okay, let's just write a loop and see if we can print out the contents of the memory. Okay? Okay, hey there, lit element. Lit element. What are we doing here? So I just want to make a for loop. Can I make a for loop? Repeat. Employee. Ooh, what's, oh, look at that, index. Index. Okay. Let's just steal this code right here and bring it over. Okay, repeat this dot memory. There's only numbers here. Oh, these are parameters. Huh. I wonder if this is even necessary. It might be. I don't know what they're saying here. Oh, that's the parameter. Okay, so I'm gonna say I need to define the parameter here. Word. I don't know what that means. This will blow up. Word. Okay. Okay, there's a UL tag. Let's import and indent this a bit. Get that UL tag in here. Let's make sure we kind of got stuff matched up here. This is that HTML. Oh, wait. Oh, yikes. That doesn't look like that. Looks like a syntax error. Okay. Okay. There we go. That says the, oh wait, I want index. Where's the index? So I'm going to pass word and index into this function that really is a template. So let's see what happens there. It's going to blow up. Yeah, let's look at the console. Yeah. Repeat is not defined. Uncaught in promise. Repeat is not defined. Promise. Well, let's go look at our lit element here. Oh yeah, great. That's what I need. I have no idea if this is going to work because I'm pulling all this stuff. That's never going to work. We'll see. I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. Oh, crap. Am I going to have all these damn things here? That's not going to work. Because I'm importing all this crap from the internet, not from, I'm trying to avoid Node and a builds phase and all that stuff. So let's just go in here and watch it blow up super bad. Yeah, it was a bare specifier. Yeah, well, okay. Let's just go in here and say, hey, dude, is there like a... Yeah. No, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. Can I have a conversation with you? I really want to have a conversation. Okay, we've got to go to ChatGPT. Yeah, I know. Import map. No. Oh, really? Really? Are you kidding me? Is that real? Because that would be super frickin' awesome. I don't know what that means, but I want to try it. Script import map. We're going to put that in our index.html according to what they said. Going to save that. It's probably going to blow up. But we're on to a clue now. Come to daddy. No. Okay, then what we're going to do, I don't know why that is, but I'm going to do that. Let's go here. And let's get rid of this thing. And let's go back, save that. Let's go back in here. And let's just direct import this from HTML in our thing. Let's see. Now we might want to come up with a slightly better way to think about this eventually, but let's see. I mean, eventually I'm going to want to put these in some common file, but you never know. You never know. Okay, clear the air. No. Did I not save it? That doesn't tell us much. Okay, that didn't help. Okay, so let's go like this. Where? Oh, hey, let's just keep asking these guys. Let's ask him. I don't know. What's that mean? That doesn't give me quite. It's like not doing that. CDN. That? But it doesn't work. Version specific. You said the same thing. Let's try this. I do not know what that means. Hello, kitty cat. Hello. Okay, that looks more like what I want. Oh, that looks like what I had. Hello, kitty cat. Yeah. Okay. I think that, we'll figure those versions out in a bit. Oh, ho, 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 it worked. It worked. It worked. Hello, kitty cat. Why the cat comes up and meows at me to get attention, then I try to pay attention to it, and it runs away. Okay, there we go. We got our memory printed out. Okay. Memory. Let's just go here. Memory. Let's do this for instructions. I don't know why. Instructions. It's really amazing how smart it is. Sure, I'll leave that word. I'll leave that word. The iteration variable, I'll leave a word. Now we got our memory, and then we got our instructions. That is a pretty, it's a pretty long version of that. There you go. Someday I'm going to want to make sure I can make all this very accessible. That li tag is probably going to be useful. And I need to make every one of those memories modifiable. So what I really want is I want this to be an input. Input type equals text, value equals word. Oh man, look at that. Let's see what happens if I turn those all into input tags. Heck to the yeah, that's kind of pretty. Now, you know what I want? I want to be able to change the memory. I want to change something. I wonder if I can put, I need a close tag there and there. Wouldn't that be something if I could just put an event on these guys and pass as a parameter? Close tag, and then I say onClick equals change change instruction. index. Yeah, that's a variable. Comma. How do I get this? I want that new value. That's okay. We'll start with just change instruction index. I don't use semicolon, right? Oops. Okay, save. Change instruction index. Holy shit. Console.log. Holy mackerel, that AI is helping me so much. It just makes me so fat. It's so amazing. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. E.target value. Do you understand? I was sitting down here going like, how am I going to find this value when that thing runs? But look at that. It's E.target. Because I was thinking there was going to be a this involved. But I know that this is the object, the lit element. So let's just see what the heck happens now. Let's look at developer tools. Let's change this to 42. It's not on click, it's on change. Let's see when. No. How come that? Okay, I'm going to put a console log here. Why are we doing this? Why are we turning that? Oh, damn it. Okay, so I'm a little lost here. What is it? What are we doing here? We're turning. Okay, I don't know. Where's this E coming from? I know. I need to know more JavaScript. Oh. So that called me. It's not calling that. Ah, shoot. Well, let's do an inspector, see what we're doing here. Input text equals 0, but there's no at sign. Is there like there's no event here? Let's go ask ChatGPT, or no, let's just add ChatGPT. Using lit element, how do I detect that the value in an input type equals text has changed, and call a method. Keep going. Handle input. Add input. What the hell's add input? Dot value? What's that dot? that means. That seems really weird. We're gonna, okay. Okay, so I don't know. Some of this, I don't know if I need that or not. Probably I do. Just shows how much I don't know. There's no event on that, which worries me. Console. But wait a sec. Oh, it's dummy. I'm fiddling with the wrong one. Fiddling with the wrong one. Change memory. Now let's see how smart you are, AI. I am going to copy this and make a thing called change. I hit escape. I didn't mean to. There. It's selecting is too smart. Jesus. Wow, selection just does not very good at the selection yet. Could change this to memory. Save it. So let's now see what goes on. Boom. Oh! So okay. Is this like supposed to be a promise or something? So I don't even know what this code, I mean, I know what it does, but like, I don't know why that's what I have to do. But I guess this is calling an event. So let's reload this guy. Okay, that gets called a lot. It gets called as you're typing. But it changes to memory. Hey, let's just well, I guess I probably should commit this stuff. How do I commit this stuff? View, source control. Let's commit it. Okay. Okay, so that's committed. What do I want to do next? I don't know. Can you make show a variable in hex in JavaScript? Oops, come up here. Show a variable in hex in JavaScript. We can get rid of a lot of these guys. Made some progress there. Okay. Holy mackerel. Num to string. Okay, we're going to make that be num to string 16. So where do we put that in? Yeah. So did I just make that be hexadecimal? How can I turn the... How can I... Let's put a width on there. Like width equals 5. I don't know. Boo-ba-da-boo. Size equals 5. Yeah, width would be that's more pixels. And I know I probably should be using a style guide or whatever. Oh, there we go. So that's good. That's our memory. Can we make this be base 2 by just saying this? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, why can't I start conversation? No. Okay. JavaScript num to string. Fix width. Slice minus 4. Really? Oh, man. Well, let's just... Can I put that in a function? Can I just say 2x Is that going to work? Boom. 2x is not defined. Oh, hello. Yeah, this dot 2x. Boom. Now my numbers are hex. Now I got to figure out how to do how to hide bullets from li tag. That'll work temporarily. It figured that out. Why is it listening to me? I don't get it. Look at that. We gotta make this a paragraph tag here. Now, why don't you know to make that a /p? Come on, AI. You could do better than that. Make that a P. Wow, it's looking good. Memory. How come that doesn't line up so well? That's kind of weird. Change that to 42, and my memory's now 42. You know, that is pretty, that's impressive. Oh, wait. Let's make it work here as well. It's a pretty fun way to code. I wonder why these little buggers don't line up. That's pretty weird. Oh, I bet I need to do font. This ought to be in like Courier or something. No. That's not what I want. Font family. I want font family. Grr. Font family. Oh, crap. Default fixed width font family. Monospace. Sure. How does it know that? How does it even know I did that? Like, is that because I'm a nerd? And they think, well, all nerds are going to do monospace font sooner or later. Because this is Firefox. It can't be communicating with the AI. There we go. That's looking better. That's looking way better. Got that UL with the monospace. Okay, gotta like that. Where's the... Okay, so the problem, here we go. So here's my problem. This is 256. And how much easily fits on a screen? So there's 16. So 16 times 16. Do I really need 256 instructions? Actually, I want the instructions first. I actually want the instructions first. Let's go like this. Put the instructions first. Okay, so I need to put a range on this repeat. So let's just see if I can only print out the first 16. Let's see. Well, let's go to Google. Well, let's go fixed width font. I got that all figured out. So now what I want to do you want to go to ChatGPT? Yeah. So in a lit element, how do I do a repeat with a numeric range? Ooh, cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. Array from. There we go. Oh, cha-cha-cha. Now, how in the heck is it going to know? Okay, how can you be so smart? Let's do this. I'm going to do the first 16, and then it says I can do range, comma, and then range, comma. That'd be nice. Blow up, blow up, blow up. What'd I do? R is not a function. Where are we at? R is not a function. What did I do wrong? Numeric range. $repeat range. Why is it not like that? Well, let's just complain to him. Complain to ChatGPT. import what would be a good version of lit to use? 2.x. That's 2.7. What's a good version of lit repeat to use to get support for range? Use the latest. No, I don't want that. 2.6x. Well, what do I got here? Well, let's go to 2.6 here. Yeah, it's not. Using in-browser. How can I get where it supports range? Well, I do love you, ChatGPT. You're my best buddy now. Nice. Okay. So it's telling me to go to 2.7.4, which I did. It likes me to go from lit HTML. What's this one? Okay. I like the fact that ChatGPT array from. What I get? What do I get out of that? if this works or not. Yeah, it's not good. Yeah. Let's go to 274 here. Still blows up, all right? Yeah, R is not a function. Not a function. Let's console. This is an array, I'm believing. Oh yeah. Blink. I don't believe it. I don't understand. Trash reload. That's what it's supposed to be. Man. Well, I can do this. I can do this. Parenthesis, index. That works, right? I thought there was a nothing in there. Okay, we're not going to do range anymore. We have just done our range thing. We just added a range. I don't like it. I wish there was a clearer way to do this, but that's what we're going to do. Kaboom. Okay, so there's 16, 6, 0 through, yeah, it's going to be 15. Okay, so now we're going to that. Our thing works. Start running. Not that we have anything. Wait a sec. I don't need 4, I need 2, because their numbers are up to 256. Yeah. So, okay, we're going to make it 2 binary. $16. be in base 2. Blew up to binary. Nice. So that's going to be a size of 16. Yeah, I've seen all that. 16. Oh wait, these are 8-bit bytes. These 8? What's this look like in my PowerPoint? Come back, PowerPoint. So 0 through 255. That's 8 bits. That's 8 bits, so it's only 8. Okay. Come back. So it's 8. But the instructions themselves are going to be in binary. But the data can be in hex, and that will save us a little bit of space. So the size is going to be 3. The size is going to be 8. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to go with decimal here. Could go with decimal here. Yeah. Okay. Oops. So let's do a grid layout and put these two things next to each other. Bootstrap 5 grid layout. Grid system. Okay. Div equal with containers. Let's just take this. Hey, AI, how much do you know about div class equals container? Let's get rid of get some divs down to the bottom. Okay. Let's go with this guy here. No, I don't want that. That's a column. This is a div. Yep, that's another column. So that's we need another slash div here. The end of the row, the end of the column, the end of the row, the end of the container. Let's see how that turns out. Boom, boom. Look at that. Oh, that didn't go very good. Oh, yeah, my animation is not very good. Okay, we're going to move that right outside of the row. Oops, 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 don't do that. We're going to move the button. We're going to do here, boom, 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 and boom. We'll clean up indenting in a bit. Start, stop. Okay, so now we got instructions. Oh boy. Well, we're getting there. Let's go here. And then, this ain't pretty, but yeah, they're going to be mad at me. 16 to 31. Yeah. I'm sure there's a more elegant way to do this. Div class call, div class call. Okay. And we're going to put this here. And make that be 16, 31. Let's see what we get having done that. This is going pretty fast. Come on, folks. Boom. Instructions. Memory, memory. So now I have what? 32 instructions and 32 bytes of memory. What happens when I resize this guy? Yeah, I don't know why. Yeah. That was a little bit bigger, but we're okay for now. Do I put like more instructions and less memory? I don't know. I don't think we need it. We'll see. Okay. Okay, let's commit this. Save it. And then send it. Okay, well that's where we're at so far. We are starting to replicate if we took it to PowerPoint. You know, we still got to put the central processing unit in there, but we've kind of got the instruction memory and the data memory. 255 is decimal, but I'm going to keep the instructions octal or binary. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll switch to, nah, I don't want to switch to octal. It'll be too hard for the students to have. But octal is so much easier to think about. It really is. Do the instructions fall down on octal boundaries? Yeah, that's an octal boundary. That's an octal boundary. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh, I don't know. We'll see. 8-bit word is, yeah, it's almost an octal, because, yeah. So octal, and 2/3 of an octal. I don't know. Okay. Okay, well, thanks for watching my using ChatGPT and AI and everything to sort of build some JavaScript code. Cheers.